again. Number 82, Fuente, attacks. The field is led by Schoenmaker and Battaglia. Fuente has gone off to the Poggio Nibbio climb, never tired of challenging Mex. The pursuit of Fuente is gathering momentum. Gimondi gains ground, and in front there's Mex and his helpmate Gruyere. Fuente still out on his own in the lead, but now the cars are passing him. A bad sign. Something is happening behind him. It's Mex, who has left the group behind him, and now he's gaining on Fuente. Now he's alongside. Fuente has company. Mex glances backwards, tramps on the pedals, and spurts away from a surprised and defenseless Fuente. That's that. That's how. That's the way to take a mountain spurt and take the mountain specialist for a ride. That's how Mex settles.
Ma a Bolsena diventa tumultuosa la volata e rivede primo per la terza volta Roger de Vlaeminck.